Njagala kubuuza abantu b'enaalem bannanga abantu abawagira enaalem Ekyankwanzi babasomesa ki? Bwe muba mugenze Ekyankwanzi mu school of leadership ey'Ekyankwanzi bwe mweyagalira Ekyankwanzi muyinza n'okulowooza nti oba Museveni ye yawazimba. Naye nga abasajja be muvumirira abaali ababi nnyo Amini n'Obote be baazimba Kyankwanzi. Naye nga mwagenzeyo ne mweyagalirayo oyinza n'okugamba yammwe mwagigula. Bwe mugenda Ekyankwanzi bantu mwe babayigiriza ki? Babasomesa ki? Because I don't understand this bannange. Bwe mugenda Ekyankwanzi baba bagenze basomesa kwagala ggwanga lyammwe. Era kye muyimba ku mimwa. Baya mwakiyimba ku makya mutuntu n'olweggulo. Mujje tugende mu ssomero babayigiriza okwagala eggwanga lyammwe. Bantu mwe njagala kubuuza bibuuzo. Babasomesaayo ki eyo? Kwegamba babasomesa ki kye tutategeera? Ekigambo patriots kitegeeza ki? Ekigambo patriotism kitegeeza ki kummwe? For you, like, what does the word patriots means to you? Because that word, it means maybe to defend all the stupidity and nonsense for NRM. Just covering the criminality of the regime. Is that what like they teach you there? Abantu abawagira NRM, please. Mutubulire ku biki bye babasomesa mu ssomero ery'Ekyankwanzi. How can someone go in national treasury and steal like 62 billion, 66 billion, and you call that person a patriot? Is that really make sense? How can someone steal like 700 billions for Lubowa Hospital and you call that person a patriot? That person love his country. And for us who speaking about that, we hate our country, and the one who covering that stupidity, you are the one who love the country. What kind of nonsense is this in you people? What kind of nonsense in you people supporting NRM? Who told you that supporting the NRM and their stupidity actions and their theft and their criminality, it means that you are patriots? That the one who opposing your stupidity and your safety and your criminality is the one who don't love the country. Where did you get that ideology, you people? You people of NRM supporters. I'm speaking for NRM supporters. Just come out and explain us what is the meaning of the word patriotism. To the extent you call yourself patriotic leader of Uganda. But someone who can steal billions of money which can build a hospital to help 45 million Ugandans is the one who is patriots. The one who is talking about that, is the one who is not loving the country. Really, you people? So defending the criminality of the NRM government, the NRM party, that is the only qualification you have to be a patriotic in Uganda. Bantu mwa bagende Ekyankwanzi babasomesa ki bamikwano mujja mutubuulire mutuwe ku logic gwe bakozesa nga babasomesa eyo. Because I see that school maybe it is just a school of brainwashing you, just to change your mentality, just to mental slavery you, like to make you like emitwe jammwe jime banango bankyogere nti asimanyi nakumanya kubanga muva mu busiru ne muva mu bujega ne muva mu butumbaavu ne mudda mu buwumba tutu. I don't know you people supporting NRM supporters. You are really sick. Emitwe jammwe mirwadde. Even if we speak 100 miles, for you are just supporting. You don't see anything which is going on in Uganda for you as long as NRM said that is it. Whether it's wrong, whether it's good. Whether it's killing you, whether it's not killing you. Whether it is taking your head or not. Yes, that is it. You don't decide for your own. You think for us speaking about these issues, we are your enemies. Please, we are not your enemies, you people. We are just asking asking? We want answers from you. But instead of replying us, you are just abusing us, killing us, abducting us, torturing us. Is that what you call patriots? Stealing from your country. Because if someone can enter a national treasury and steal such kind of money, it means that person is stealing from a country. How can that person be a patriot? Like, seriously. And he move away untouchable. And he move away untouchable. What kind of nonsense like that, really? In which country you can find such a nonsense? If it is not in Uganda. And you call yourselves the patriots. And for us speaking about that nonsense, oh, we are the one who ate our country. You want us to massage you in your safety, in your criminality, massaging you. Mwagala tubogereko birungi byokazi ifu tuli ku mikolo twazze kwogereza wammwe kuwasaayo. You people of NRM, can you stop just being supporters and be Ugandans? Just stop being supporters of NRM and the regime. We know you are the beneficiaries in this rotten regime. We know. But can you once be a Ugandan, a true Ugandan, apart from being a supporter of NRM and a beneficiary from the NRM government or NRM regime or whatever the rotten system it is? Can't you just be a Ugandan just one day, just a minute and be a Ugandan, a minute, just 1 minute in a day and be a Ugandan, not a supporter of NRM and the rotten regime? Because we know you are the beneficiaries of that regime. We know very well. Everything you say you oppose it, you abuse us, you arrest us, you abduct us, you torture us. Is that what it means being a patriotic? Babasomesa Ekyankwanzi, killing people, abducting people, arresting people without any case, stealing taxpayers' money. Is that what they teaching you there in Ekyankwanzi? You people of NRM, please be Ugandans. Be Ugandans apart from manya supporting. Yes, you can support your muzeyi, your wati, your yellow color, but please be a Ugandan. Chibi chibere chibi. Let the criminality be criminality. Let the injustice be injustice, but don't defend undefendable. Temu defending abintu bita defending ika. You can see someone, intelligent person, defending stupidity, defending nonsense, defending criminality, and he called himself a patriot. What's the meaning of that word, by the way? Maybe for us we don't understand it well. You have to come out and teach the country what's the meaning of the word patriots. Because for us we don't know it. Maybe for us we don't understand that word very well. Is that what you are going to lie the country ever since you lied? Ever like in 1980s you lied, up to now you are still lying people. You know how to hide yourselves in that word. Yet you are doing like criminality. You are all criminals. Stealing people. How can someone steal a whole hospital which can help 45 million Ugandans? Rubawa hospital, 700 billions. And you call that person a patriot? What kind of nonsense is this, really?